Hello everyone, and welcome back to Automation School. Today, we'll show you the top 5 AI tools you can use to rack and catch with AI. Stay tuned to the end of this video, where we'll give you our favorite AI proven to bring in the big bucks. With the increased capabilities of AI, making money has never been easier than it is now. In the era of powerful and boundless AI technology, there's no limit to the growth and profit potential that you now have with your finances. With so many valuable tools available for you to use on the market, there's no reason for you not to be making money with AI. By now, you've probably already heard of the famous ChatGPT. Known for its impressive chat generation abilities, any question that you may have can be answered by this bot. It is a platform that can apply to any of these money-making options that we listed. However, as we all know, ChatGPT can only utilize resources dated until 2021, meaning that it isn't capable yet of giving you the most up-to-date information. GPT-4 is in the works, which is supposedly much more powerful than the ChatGPT we know now. But that's still in the future with no confirmed release date. Although still very useful, our list consists of tools you may not have heard of that can make your money-making process much easier. Jasper AI is one of the most powerful AI writing tools out there on the market right now. From script writing to sales copy to fictional story writing, Jasper can imitate almost any writing style and transform your idea into fully functional text that is digestible by any audience. Many professional writers are leveraging this tool to up their copy game, allowing the AI to write the initial text and then go in to make manual edits depending on their client requirements and other deliverables. This has drastically optimized the writing process and made it accessible for anyone to start writing. One of the ways you can utilize Jasper AI is to become a freelance copywriter for businesses. With Jasper AI's impressive sales copy abilities, you'll be able to create compelling sales copy that increases sales conversions with little to no effort, and you can adjust everything as you see fit. You can also use Jasper AI to write scripts for YouTube channels, which you can sell at your pre-established rates depending on the channel size. This is a highly profitable way to use Jasper AI, as many YouTubers have a specified content volume that they want to output per week and require quick deliveries. This guarantees you a set amount of work and money and is a consistent source of income. Not to mention, with the use of Jasper AI, you can have multiple clients since the script writing time is lowered drastically. The name might sound unfamiliar to you, but you've definitely seen a Midjourney photo during your time on the internet. Midjourney is an artificial intelligence program that generates art pieces created entirely from text input and user prompts. This program allows anyone to create an artistic masterpiece simply by typing keywords and descriptions in a chat box. Those who have mastered Midjourney have seen stellar profits because their photos are so high quality that they can pass as real, or are so detailed and precise that it seems unreplicable even by the human hand. The paid version allows you to use any generated images commercially, meaning that you can repurpose your images and sell them in any way that you prefer. Some common methods are listing the images as prints on websites such as Etsy, or reformatting them into clothing items, stickers, or other merchandise to sell on Shopify or Redbubble. You could even take your images and mint them into NFTs, which you can sell to other users, which can be highly profitable should it be executed appropriately. You could sell your work to a work alongside writers searching for photos for their books. In the age of e-commerce, effective digital ads are more crucial than ever for businesses. Oftentimes, one of the biggest struggles, especially for small businesses, is creating an effective ad that is not only visually appealing, but also increases sales conversions and leads. At Creative AI is a tool that uses the capabilities of AI to create ads and social creatives for marketing campaigns optimized for any digital platform, such as Facebook, Instagram, Google, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, and more. Through Creative AI, you are given dozens of ad options that you can pick and choose from without you having to even design any of it, giving you and the business that you work with plenty of choices in terms of design and creativity. There is also a built-in writing tool specialized for creating sales copy, as well as an AI-powered rating tool that rates the effectiveness of your ad, so that you can rest assured knowing that there will be guaranteed sales from your ad. Synthesia is an all-in-one video editing tool that provides AI voice narration, editing templates, and subtitle capabilities in a single platform. This drastic simplification of the video creation process can make you a top choice for content creators in search of editors or a prime candidate for a profitable faceless YouTube channel. Combined with all our other YouTube automation videos on our channel, you can efficiently and effectively utilize this helpful AI tool to create a successful YouTube channel. Now for our personal favorite, Logo AI. Arguably the most important part of a business is its logo. With many brands lacking a designated graphic designer, they have resorted to using platforms like Canva to create their logos. However, logos created on sites like Canva are not commercially licensed or copyright protected. An easy way to make money is to create logos for businesses with Logo AI, which allows you to create professional-looking and appealing logos without any graphic design experience. The AI will design different logo options for you, which you can then sell to businesses. To supplement that income, you can also offer other graphics for sale, such as promotional flyers, social media graphics, business cards, and more, and combine them as a package so that you can earn even more money from the businesses that you are working with. This would also increase the value you provide them and be an appealing option for your businesses, as you could ensure that there is a cohesive brand image with all of their graphics. You could list your services on marketplaces such as Fiverr or Upwork, which will secure you clients since this highly in-demand niche will bring in consistent business. There you have it. 5 profitable money-making opportunities are all spearheaded by the usage of AI tools. Which one out of these 5 AI tools are you going to start using? If we inspired you to start any of these side hustles, we'd love to hear about your plans in the comments below. As always, thank you for attending Automation School. And until next time, see you later, Automators.